We're going to talk about digital audio effects and reverberation in Nyquist. There are lots of effects and processes you can apply to sounds with Nyquist. Here's a list of some of them that we'll be talking about, and the first of these is delay. Delay creates an echo effect. Extremely short delays can create spectral effects or chorus effects that we'll talk about later. But for now, we want to talk about delays where you really perceive the sound and a delayed copy of the sound. And these times are typically in the tenth of a second up to many seconds. In Nyquist, we don't need any special unit generator to implement delay. We can just manipulate sounds rather directly. But you may recall that sounds have a built-in starting time and duration, and they are immutable. So applying a shift operator to a sound doesn't do anything. The way we get around that in Nyquist is we use the cue behavior, and cue takes a sound as parameter, and basically what it does is it returns a new sound that has been shifted according to the environment. And so we usually combine cue with a shift operator, the at sign, and the expression here, cue sound at delay, will move the sound forward into a later time. And we can add that to the original sound to get a sound and a delayed copy of the sound.